guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are in Adopt Me, and as you can see, April Fool's right on the middle of the screen. Cat, meow, adopt me. Looks like he was drawn in paint. God, this is bad. Alright, as you can see, I rarely ever play Adopt Me now. Alright, let's spawn a car. Oh, I'm just gonna try this. I used to always play when I was younger. First days of Roblox for this game. Yeah. Oh, well. I remember that glitch. It was the biggest thing back then. Alright. Where is Bert? Oh my god! What? The main store is drawn! Wait, you can actually go... Do it... What? The front is literally drawn! That's cool! And it said Bert messed up again. Wait, are those cats? 2D kitty. Wait, how do I get a 2D kitty? Wait, how do I get a 2D? Oh my god, limited time legend. Oh, that's cool. I have some Adopt Me money. Oh, nope, not enough. Just get that. Of course I want to open. I want to give my chance to look. What do I get? A shuttle pogo. Yay. I'll let you trade that away. Where is the pet? What? Is it in my... No, it's just make sure it's not in my inventory. No, it's not. How do I get the 2D cat? Oh, wait, do I go inside the... Maybe I go inside the pet store. Pets? That's a normal cat. Snow cat. No, I don't see anywhere to get it. What? Maybe it's hidden in the VIP room? I don't know. No. Wait, I am not gonna end this video until I find how to get... Look, wait, what? How do you... Bert, oh my god, here's Bert. Hi, Bert. Something went wrong. Yeah, I noticed you're 2D. Press wrong button, weren't my fault. Wanna live Flatland forever? No, I don't not want to live in Flatland forever. I try to make better. Take this, I need to fix things. Oh my god, it's a 2D kitty! Fly and ride. I want to see what it looks like flying. What is this? What? No way. What is this? Hold on, I'm gonna go land on a store somewhere. Pet shop. Right here, it's good. 2D kitty. It's 2D. Oh my god, that is so funny. Oh my, wait, what? Their head just ripped off. Alrighty then, kitty. Alright, that's not good for your body, I don't think. Alright, did Adopt Me add anything else except the store and that? You know, is there a dev forum? One of the biggest... Oh, okay, they do have a dev forum. Good. I hear it, like, screaming at me. Nope, that's not it. Oh, well. Alright, so that is really the Adopt Me update, everyone. They added a new store, kinda, and a 3D cat, which I'm pretty sure is today only. So, guys, make sure to hit subscribe, hit the notifications bell. Have a great day. Happy April Fool's.